This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the heart of the Hot River North neighborhood for a walk through the fitness centers at a cluster of 4 nearly new luxury apartment towers: 640, Gallery on Wells, Exhibit on Superior, and Marlowe. All of the buildings on this tour have been completed within the past few years, and they're all within a 2-minute walk of each other. They all have great proximity to public transit and to a raft of dining and nightlife options. All of the buildings have a full suite of amenities, including an outdoor pool deck. They're all pet-friendly. The buildings have on-site parking, on-site management, maintenance, and leasing staff, and 24/7 door staff. You'll find near real-time rent and availability info at the building's websites. Search for River North Apartments at YouTube, and you can see more than 100 of YoChicago's narrated apartment tours in the neighborhood. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.